So in this video, you'll learn how to change the default browsing app on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to navigate to settings. And once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select the option apps. Under apps, choose default apps, and then you should see the browser app category. Tap on it. From here, you should see all the browsing apps that you currently have installed on your device. So what you're going to do to switch to default browsing apps is simply select the one you would prefer. So currently I'm using Samsung Internet, but if I want to switch to Chrome, all I'm going to do is just select it. Once it's been selected, now when I open any links on my device, they'll automatically be launched in Google Chrome. However, if you want to switch default browsing app, so from Chrome to Samsung Messages, to Samsung Internet, or something completely different, then you can just go back and select it, and the changes will be applied onto your device. And so that's how you can change the default browsing app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.